A winter weather advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 32 degrees under fair skies. Tonight, snow developing overnight. Low 30, 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Tuesday, morning snow. High 35, 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Low 26. Winds west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook. A winter weather advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 32 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, snow developing overnight. Low 30, snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Tuesday, morning snow. High 35, 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Here's our 7-day outlook.